Okay, for question number 22, part A, we have to find the differentiation of y with respect to t. So let's start differentiating this with respect to t. So differentiation of y with respect to t is dy by dt. Now for this is the differentiation of the form x raised power n, where x is cos of secant square 2t and n is 3. So this is n into x raised power n minus 1. So this is n is 3, 3 into x cos square raised power secant square 2t. Now the differentiation of cos is negative, so this is negative sine into of secant square 2t, and now we have to differentiate secant square 2t with respect to t. Okay, so we can write this as dy by dt, and negative, let's take it in the front. So this is 3 cos square secant square 2t into sine of secant square 2t. Now we have to differentiate secant square 2t with respect to t. So differentiation of secant square. Here once again we are going to use the formula x raised power n. Differentiation of the same formula for this. So this is 2 into x raised power n minus 1 is 1, so 2t. And now the differentiation of secant 2t. Okay, so differentiation of secant. So what is the differentiation of secant? So differentiation of secant is secant into, okay, so finally we have, let me just write it down. So this is dy by dt is equal to negative 3 cos square secant square t 2t into sine of secant square 2t into 2 secant 2t. Now differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So this is secant x into tan x, and differentiation of 2t, which is 2. So finally our differentiation is, so negative 3 into 2 is, this is negative 6. Okay, 2, this is negative 6 into 2 is negative 12. So this is negative 12. And we have cos square. So let's write this as cos square secant square 2t. And then we have sine of secant square 2t. And this is secant 2t into secant 2t is secant square 2t into, we are left with tan 2t. So this is the value of dy by dt.